issue is whether or not same-sex couples have the constitutional right to marry. A decision by this same court in 2013 upheld gay couples' rights to marry, but the ruling does not require states to recognize marriages performed in other states. Jim Obergefell's name is on this case, but it is a consolidation of similar cases from Kentucky, Michigan, and Tennessee, where same-sex couples married elsewhere were considered single in those states. Obergefell's case began when his partner died of ALS, or Lou Gehrig's disease.
To then learn that once John died, which we knew was coming, our marriage would not be reflected on his death certificate, it was one of the worst possible things to hear.
The pair married in Maryland, where gay marriage is legal. Richard Hodges is an Ohio official who handled death certificates and refused, under state law, to list Obergefell as the surviving spouse. Hodges supporters say the states and their voters have the right to define marriage.
The Supreme Court says we're discarding the votes of millions of citizens in the 50 states who voted to define marriage as the union of a man and a woman. Yeah, that would redefine marriage in those states. It would be a travesty.
Obergefell sees it this way.
It will mean John and I matter. It will mean we have the same rights and responsibilities as other Americans.